Most of you Igbo youth aṅụrịbago already na-ekwu oyoyo that Oga Tinubu ewetagoro na ndị Igbo development or infrastructure. Listen and listen very attentively.
My name is Senator Victor Ume, OFR. I represent Anambra Central Senatorial District. Mr. President, I rise to say that I support this borrowing plan. Yes, I do, because I was part of the committee that considered this. And I looked through the schedule of the things to be done with this money. I saw provisions made that all the 36 states of the Federation will benefit from in various interventions the government proposed. But most interestingly to me, Mr. President, for the first time, I have seen an elaborate provision made for money to be borrowed to build the Eastern Rail Line from Port Harcourt to Maiduguri. A provision that was put in the budget, $3 billion. I didn't need to look at any other thing to support this borrowing plan. Yes, because I've been on this chamber clamoring through motions that Eastern Rail Line corridor from Port Harcourt to Maiduguri should be reconstructed. Now, $3 billion have been provided for it. So this accords to the needs and desires of people who use that rail line. Among other things that I saw, the repayment plan, some of them have 20 to 35 years. It's not something that you borrow today and pay back tomorrow. So it gives the government the latitude to plan and they execute this necessary infrastructure for the benefit of all Nigerians. So on this note, Mr. President, I commend President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for heeding to the call for the construction of Eastern Rail Line. This is now the first time I'm seeing it provided for in the borrowing plan. So our people will be happy with it. I thank you very much.
So thank you very much. All have been said. The chairman banking has said it. Chairman finance committee has also explained it. Chairman appropriation also made his comment. Everything is now open, and the good thing is that the Southeast is no longer marginalized. It's no longer marginalized. So the Renew Hope program is working. You are now carried along. So this is good. You see, all parts of this country is carried along in this report. So thank you very much. We now
All from Port Harcourt to the north. Remember, Nandi Port Harcourt na-ekwusi na fabulon ndị Igbo. All muna Igbo youth from the upperland area na-ekwusi na anyị na fabu nwanne. From Port Harcourt to the north, but the only area this very rare get favor. Or blokwa muna gisi from the southeast. But that is by the way. Iwala anyị memo nke iji bụrụ mmadụ. Considering the way ndị ofe mmanụ na ndị ugwu si kpọngị bụ onye Igbo asị, iwe na-atịnki na adịsịrịwa anụnwa nwere ife ọ ga-emerụ ndị Igbo. No for them ndị Igbo, you are a joker. If for this railway project is either no kafe wolo ya wee na-move oil or maybe iji ya wee bubata ndị ugwu, ebubata ndị ugwu n'ime ana Igbo. Imekata chee na ife abụọ dị mma gị onye Igbo, then ị nwere nsogbu na akọnuche gị. Ndị ugwu, ndị ofe mmanụ enwere ike n'ụwa iji aka fa many things ga-favor gị bụ onye Igbo. We are critical thinkers. We reason well and we think well.